these on.
Okay, fine. Oh my God!
Guy, there is no easy way to say this. This world, it's a video game. You're not real.
The movie is, in and of itself, just a fastball of joy, and it's, you know, it's so exciting to be a part of a movie that is non-IP, not a comic book movie, not really based on anything other than an original idea.
We need you to be the good guy.
I'm sorry! Oh, God!
I remember when I saw Back to the Future as a kid. It just like immersed you in a world and blew your mind. And that's what this film does. It really takes you somewhere else, and it leaves you walking out of the theater with a huge grin on your face. And I just kind of miss that.
Wow! Giddy up!
Is that a Glock in your pocket?
No,
What?
it's 2 Glocks.
Oh!